Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Winter is here, and there's nothing better than transforming your cottage into a cozy retreat that feels like a warm hug. Today we're diving into some stunning cottage winter decor ideas to help you make your space feel magical all season long. Let's get started. Begin by selecting a warm and inviting color palette. Think soft whites, creamy beiges, deep forest greens, and pops of rich reds. These colors set the tone for a winter wonderland while keeping things warm and homely. Layering textures is key to creating that cozy cottage feel. Use chunky knit blankets, faux fur throws, and plush cushions to make every seat the perfect spot to snuggle up. Bring the outside in by incorporating natural elements like evergreen branches, pine cones, and wood accents. These small touches add a rustic charm to your winter decor. Lighting is everything during winter. Use candles, fairy lights, and lanterns to create a soft and welcoming glow that feels like pure magic. If you have a fireplace, make it the star of your decor. Drape it with garlands, hang stockings, or add a few decorative logs to enhance the cozy vibe. Winter-themed accents like snowflakes, reindeer figurines, and rustic lanterns are simple ways to enhance your decor while keeping it seasonal and fun. Extend the winter theme to your kitchen and dining area. Add a festive table runner, wooden chargers, and a centerpiece with winter greens and candles for a magical dining experience. Don't forget to decorate the exterior of your cottage. String lights on trees, place lanterns along pathways, and add a winter wreath to your door to create a welcoming outdoor ambiance. And that's how you can transform your cottage into a cozy winter haven. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more seasonal decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.